Hello, I'm Jason from Deepernauts. In this video, I'm going to show you how to use the new custom domain list import-export feature. First, log into your device, and then on the left, head over to DPN, Smart Routing, and then Custom Domain. You will now see Add, Import, and Export under the Custom Domain, Direct Domain, Custom IP, and Direct IP tabs. If you wish to save your configuration, click on Export. That will download a CSV file directly to your device. On the reverse side, if you wish to import a configuration, let's say to a new device, click on Import, and then you will have to find the CSV file to upload. Once the upload is completed, then you have your configurations enabled into your device. Remember, you will always have to have all the tunnels enabled that are required for the CSV file. So if you're importing your list into a new device, enable all the tunnels first, and then import your file.
Deeper Network, of the users, by the users, for the users.